Hi, my name is Ronnie Matigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the courtroom chaos that is happening there. And the owner of the chaos is not even noticing that it's happening there because, my goodness, oh my God, the things that are happening are bad. They are bad. Something is going very wrong in the courtroom of Judge Ratha Mogoateng. For 3 weeks, 3 weeks, guys, the state has been trying and failing to pin Bongani Ntanzi to the crime. 3 weeks. We will talk about this week, the 4th week, but 3 weeks, they failed. But now it's no longer just about what's missing. It's about what is being exposed. Live in court, Kesan. Live in court, because what we are seeing from Advocate George Baloyi is not a structural case. It's confusion. Not ABC, not 1, 2, 3. Very much confusion, Gesan. I'm very much confused. I'm one of those people. It's A, then G, then C, then F, then X, then M, then Y, then R. Yay! Guys, isiphithiphithi sesipitha nyongo sento esingayazi ukuthi sizoyixazulula sithi yintoni. And in a courtroom, that's where things start looking like, no, man. Le case lena, no. It was not supposed to be something that I go on retirement with. No. No. That's when Judge Ratha, I'm sure he sits there and be like, no, man. Ayibuyi kuNkulunkulu le case le ngeke le case ayibuyi kuNkulunkulu angeke unless uNkulunkulu uzophanisha mina. I'm sure Ratha ucinga ezonto pha. I'm sure Judge Ratha ucinga ezonto bangeke kehla. Le, it's not coming from God too. It's not me being selected because I'm wise and whatnot. No, the way he's so silent this week, you would swear he's like, Nkulunkulu mtrinithwa ingcwele kanti kwenzekalani lana. And everything that is happening about X, Y, Z, nabo TPQ 2030, nabo 190, nabo 2,400. Sibuyele ko 0. What is happening? What is happening, guys? This thing of the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 15, 16, 17, and then 54, 55, 56, then back again. And in a courtroom, that is very dangerous, guys. That is very, very dangerous. Because what you're questioning once your questioning has no direction, you don't control the narrative anymore. Even you yourself, you don't know what you are doing. You don't even hear what you are asking or saying. It's bad. But here is where it gets even more interesting. The defense is not stopping him. Oh, God. The defense is not even stopping him, guys. They are not interrupting him. They are not chasing him. They speak when they have to. Otherwise, they allow him to do as he pleases. It's his thing, Mosne. He must do whatever he wants. They are doing something far more dangerous in defense, guys. They are letting him continue doing whatever. They are sitting back, taking notes, watching every move, because sometimes the best way to win a case is to act stupid, is to let your opponent destroy it themselves. Sometimes let the opponent destroy the case themselves. Baloyi brings 2 documents into the court. One affidavit properly done, another not signed, not commissioned, a document that should never carry legal weight. And yet he placed it on record. Why was he bringing it? Why? And that's when Ntanzi striked Gesana yesterday. Who amended that? Just one question. It shakes everything. Because now the court must ask, but get this Judge Rata's courtroom. He keeps quiet. He's been quiet. Ngathi bathe uthule wena utsho ngehempe. Uthule wena utsho ngebhatyi ebomvu. Ngathi kutshiwo kuye. Ngathi uthule utsho ngebhatyi ebomvu. Uthule. Because he is supposed to be asking as Judge Rata, who touched that document? Is it authentic? Or is the state relying on something that shouldn't even be here? He should be asking those things. Marata, umugayo uhleli pha ingathi udibene nontombi yomXhosa yathi hayi ubutsho ebhatyi ebomvu. Waqonda, what's wrong with my jacket? What's wrong with this? Usheke njalo ke sana. Now, instead of answering clearly, when Ntanzi was asking who amended the document, he says he's not asking questions. And then immediately starts asking them himself. And this is where the cracks begin to show, because when your own approach contradicts itself, hey, the defense does not need to attack. They just need to remember things, note them down. That's it. I can't be telling Ngobaloi. Like there's nothing there. Absolutely nothing, guys. And then comes the tactics. Ubaloyi turns to Judge Rata because akafuni defense defense object. He claims the defense is answering for the witness. Hayibo njawe. Hayibo nini. But here's the reality of the situation. Objection is part of the process. And Advocate Ramusipile made that very clear. We will object whether you like it or not. Oh, I loved it. That is not disruption. That is law. I love it. I like it, man, when Ramusipile is like, uphethe inkani, upusha inkani, nje, upusha inkani nontanzi wakhe babhizi pha bapusha itroli yenkani. Bayipusha itroli yenkani ibheka phambili futhi iyahamba. Oh, I like it. I like it mabepusha itroli yenkani bayapushisana pha. Mawuntana edinwa, mawuntanzi edinwa uyaphakama uRamusipile yathi letha lana ngikwenzele. Baqhuba ihasla ne la moto yase warehouse. Yes, baqhuba yona pha. Bayenza uyakusinda umthwalo sapha ngikuthathe. At this point, Ubaloyi is not a happy chappy. I tell you, he's not happy with himself. He is so not happy with himself. And I don't even think he understands what he is doing. I don't even think he is pleased with himself. Ulala njani ebusuku? Ulala njani? So now the real question is the state building a case here right now? What's going on? Or walking straight into a trap? Because every confusion has a reason. Every confusing question, weak document, missing foundation is being recorded. It sits there on the record. And later, it will be used, not during cross-examination, but when it matters the most, judgment. When it matters the most, judgment. Right now, it may look like silence from the defense, but make no mistake, that silence, it is strategy. Very strategic, Mdasekai. They are not, unless it's necessary, they will get up and say something. They don't just eat defense. They are not those people. And in that courtroom, the loudest make mistakes. And also the loudest mistake that you can ever make might already have been made. Not by defense. No, not by defense. The loudest mistake there is the evidence. Teka evidence. akunanto ebambayo. Lutho ukubamba. Lutho mpeni akubambami. But I'm loving what is happening now. Oh, I'm enjoying it. I won't even lie and act as if andiyithandi le nto yenzekayo. I'm here for it. Uba lo imxakile into ayiqalileyo guys, akazazi noba makazithini. Imxakile into yakhe. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.